Hello everyone and welcome to an exceptional discovery. Today, I am going to introduce you to a revolutionary product that will transform the way you cook. Imagine delicious, flavorful dishes prepared with astonishing simplicity. Get ready to discover the Electrolux Slow Cooker, a masterpiece of culinary technology that will revolutionize your kitchen. But don't just take my word for it. Discover this marvel for yourself and everything it can accomplish. Click on the link in the description to learn more and take advantage of the best price on the market, as well as to discover the thousands of extremely positive customer reviews. You may be wondering if this product is really right for you and will meet your specific needs. Know that the Electrolux Slow Cooker is perfect for all cooking enthusiasts, whether they are beginners or experienced chefs. Eager to prepare delicious dishes with ease, it is suitable for both large families and singles looking to enjoy quality homemade meals. The Electrolux Slow Cooker is much more than just a kitchen appliance. It is a perfect companion for all your culinary adventures. Imagine being able to prepare exquisite dishes while preserving all the vitamins and nutrients of the ingredients, whether they are fruits, vegetables, or meat. Thanks to its generous capacity of 6.6 liters, you can cook for the whole family and even for large occasions. The stainless steel body and pressure cast aluminum handles provide exceptional durability, while the glass lid offers optimal visibility of your masterpiece in the making. And that's not all. The Electrolux Slow Cooker is equipped with 6 preset programs that allow you to cook to perfection. Whether it's for stews, comforting soups, indulgent buffets, or simply keeping food warm for a perfect dinner. With a power of 235 watts, it is energy efficient. But what makes this Electrolux Slow Cooker even more amazing is its intuitive touchscreen. You can set your preferred cooking mode at a glance and track the remaining time until the preparation is complete. The transparent glass lid allows you to check and anticipate the cooking process at any time. And to top it all off, the ceramic pot is removable and dishwasher safe, making cleaning easier. You can even use it in the oven if needed. The metal pressure knobs add a touch of class to this already very elegant appliance. So, to take advantage of the best price and read the thousands of reviews from people who have already adopted it, click on the link in the description. The Electrolux Slow Cooker is not just a way to cook, it is a culinary revolution. Slow cooking. With the Electrolux Slow Cooker, not only preserves the vitamins and nutrients of the ingredients, but it also extracts all the flavor from the food, making each bite even more delicious. Furthermore, it allows you to use less fat, spices and liquids compared to a traditional recipe. The preparation is incredibly simple. All you need to do is place the ingredients in the ceramic pot and choose the program that suits you. Soup, low cooking, medium, high, or keep warm. And everything is prepared on its own, keeping you informed of the remaining time with a countdown. And it's not over yet. The Electrolux Slow Cooker is also energy efficient with a reduced consumption of only 235 W. It allows you to cook with peace of mind while preserving the planet and your wallet. Let us now conclude with a summary of the advantages and disadvantages of the Electrolux Slow Cooker. Advantage number 1. Slow cooking preserves vitamins and nutrients, thereby enhancing the nutritional quality of your dishes. The 6 preset programs simplify cooking and allow you to prepare a variety of dishes with ease. With a capacity of 6.6 liters, it is suitable for preparing large quantities of food for family gatherings or with friends. The touchscreen allows for easy programming and precise monitoring of cooking time. It operates with low energy consumption, thus saving on energy costs. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. Not dishwasher safe. The ceramic pot is not compatible with the dishwasher, which requires manual cleaning. Disadvantage number 2. Size and weight. Due to its large capacity, it can be bulky, which may make storage less convenient. In conclusion, don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity. Click the link in the description to order the Electrolux Slow Cooker at the best price, learn more about all its impressive features, and discover the thousands of customer reviews that attest to its excellence. Transform your cooking experience, delight your family, friends, and yourself, and make every meal an unforgettable moment with the Electrolux Slow Cooker. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link in the description now. Enjoy your meal.